It's Vicent from #Yangu. It's been a long time I've even shot a video. Things are tough, things are complicated, and I'm sorry for the echo. Very bad. Okay, today is just a short video where I'm going to present something. It's going to be called 5 Minutes Friday. That will be every Friday I'll be posting a 5-minute video, starting with this one. So what are we going to talk about today? There is something very small known as resolution and frame rates. Okay, resolution is the number of dots in 1 inch of a box. Okay, you know you are looking at a picture, okay? The picture has small 1 inch boxes. Let's assume small 1 inch boxes. The resolution of a picture determines how many small dots make up that one small box. So for example, you're talking about a 1080p, not let's say a picture that is 1920 by 1080. 1920 by 1080. That means in one box, number of pixels going this way is 1920, this is 1080 number of pixels. That is small 1080 small dots. And this side 1920 small dots that make up that 1 square inch. That is known as pixels, okay, or resolution for a picture. The same goes to video. But let's go to very different categories in terms of videos. Okay, video is made up by a number of pictures shown frame by frame. And one picture, then the next. For example, my hand is here. Next picture will show my hand here. The next picture here. When you join these pictures together, you will see as if my hand is moving this way. That is the magic of videos. So it's frame. Now when you talk about frames, that means how many pictures make up 1 second of a video. For example, this video is going to be something like 30 frames per second. We'll see which is good. So 30 frames per second will be, that means there will be 30 pictures passing through your screen in 1 second. The number of frames per second can go on to 24, 29, 30, 60, 120 to 40. Mostly people who shoot at 240 frames per second, their aim is getting a slow-mo video. YouTube video mostly is 30 frames per second, 24, 29, at most, rarely, unusually 60 frames per second, but it's not bad. It's just what you want to do. But 30 frames per second is enough, and the video will be very crispy. In the following sequence, I'll try to reduce the frames in this one. I don't know how that video will come out. I don't know, I've learned something from here. So there are two things you know about a video and an image. A video is made up of an image. And video is made up of an image shown one after another in frames in 1 second. And then an image is made up of small dots known as pixels that can be any of color depending on the light spectrum. That is the RGB, red, green, and blue. Yeah, that make up 1 small dot. RGB, red, green, blue. That my gaming keyboard, my gaming mouse, that's RGB. So those 3 things make up a small dot. And this dot changes color to show a picture, show an image. So the quality of the image determines by the number of dots. The higher the number of dots, the better the quality of the image. That's why a 1440 pixel, if you play it in a 60 inch or 64 inch plasma screen, you will try to play this because that shit is very ugly. But if you play like 1080p video is amazing. 720 video is quite cool. But 1440, 240 is not very bad. Those are what we call pixels. The fact that a pixel is in an image, that means it is also in a video, because we say the video is made up of pictures showing one frame and another. So those are the main things about resolution, which is the pixels or PPI, pixels per inch, and frame rates, number of pictures in a second in one video, showing one after the other. Those are my best explanation of those two situations, how they relate, a video and image. resolution and pixels. I hope the thing that I'm giving to you now, marking to you, is going to be quite helpful. So those are the resolution favorites per second. I hope you get something. We have been together doing this video with #siku from #Yangu, 5 minutes Friday. I hope to catch you again next week in the same session of 5 minutes Friday. I think next week I'm going to put a 5 minute. Comment down below, and if you like the video, press the thumbs up, and if you love this video and you like to support me, please press the red button written subscribe and the bell icon so that every time I post a video, you get a very magnificent notification. You've been with me, this is Siku from #Yangu. Hope to catch you guys again.